I don't know if that was supposed to be real or not. Oh, that's your model walk? You have to strike a pose. Strike one. Fabulous. You have to stay off the ground, mister. Where's your pose at? Oh dear.
My turn.
Definitely. Why do you guys, you're so much better than the people on the show? I like your posing. You have a nice walk. Your stature's pretty strong. You're just dancing. Walk like a model, Gray. Look at those legs. Your legs are long enough to be a model. Strike a pose. Okay. You guys are boogieing. You really have long, Grayson.
I have a good move again.
Okay, go. What are you doing?
Look at this one.
Ew.
Look at this one.
Are you rubbing on your tummy? Alright.
Ow. No, here's the new one.
Oh, violence is not required on the runway. Goodbye.